Hello and welcome to Piping Solutions with Ali. Hope you are doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to talk more about how piping components are listed in each class of PMS. In previous episode, we have already discussed that three main parameters shape each class of PMS: material, rating of flange, and corrosion allowance. And if there would be any changes in material or rating of flange or corrosion allowance, we should create another class. Now I'm going to review class A1 of this PMS with more details. Character A of this class shows the rating of this flange is 150, and then the material is carbon steel, but this carbon steel is galvanized, and this coating causes corrosion allowance equals to 0. You can find ASME B16.5 as a reference for determination of rating of flange here. Also, it's mentioned race face as a type of face of flange. You can find that piping design code specified as ASME B31.3. This is the code that wall thickness, ratings of flange, and piping components are specified based on. You can also find pressure temperature range here. I'm going to explain the meaning of this range. Each class might contain different services, and for those services there might be different design conditions. By design condition I mean design pressure and design temperature, maximum and minimum. So this range should cover different design condition of different services. But what is the reference for this range? For example, it specified that at temperature -29, this class could sustain pressure equals 19.7 bar. So, what is the reference for that range of temperature and pressure? The reference for rating of flange is ASME B16.5. And if we refer to this standard, you can find that for each range of temperature, this rating could sustain a specific pressure, and when the temperature increasing, the ability to sustain pressure will be decreased. So in this example you can find that, for example, for material carbon steel, class 150 could sustain 19.6 in a temperature range -29 to 38. So the reference for this range of temperature and pressure is ASME B16.5. But you can find that, for example, in this class only temperature 120 mentioned, because this class is not going to sustain temperature more than 120. This is the reason that it's not continued. And in this temperature with interpolation here between 100 and 150, the specific pressure that this class could sustain is calculated and mentioned here. So now you are familiar about the pressure temperature range in each piping class of PMS. So to specify this range, you should first know about the temperature range of this class, and this data is going from process discipline. And then based on the rating of class and also the material, find the related table in ASME B16.5. Find the material group and then specify related pressure for each temperature to specify the range here. So this is general information regarding the capacity of this class to sustain pressure and temperature. Now it's a time to have a look how piping components are listed in class A1 of this PMS. First of all is pipe. You can find that pipes are listed here in 3 different size range. For nominal pipe size, 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch, we have separate row, and for 2 inch we have another row, and for 3 inch and 4 inch, this is the maximum size of this class, 4 inch, we have another row. Let's review why the range of size is separated here. If we compare the description, material and thickness of these pipes, you can find that the thickness of each range is different. So this is the reason that they are listed in 3 category. So for size range 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch, thickness equals to schedule 160 is selected. For nominal pipe size 2 inch, you can find that the thickness 80 is selected, and for size 3 inch and 4 inch, schedule 40 is selected. You are familiar how to calculate the wall thickness and select the schedule of pipe based on the course of ASME B31.3 episode 13. It's worth to review those course again to understand the current course well. So you can find the description of pipe for nominal pipe size range from 1/2 to 4 inch are the same. Those are seamless. It means that the process for manufacturing of those pipes are seamless type. So the connection type of piping in this range is threaded. So piping components are connected together with threaded connection types. And the material is carbon steel ASTM A53 grade B. So in this way you can find that the material of pipe are listed and categorized based on a schedule. In next episode, we will discuss how flanges are listed in this class of piping. Please leave your comments and share this episode if you find it beneficial. Thanks for being with us.